Poppy. I did what I had to. They're in a better place now. I built us a home and kept us safe, and you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. A plotting to destroy the only heaven you heard will ever get. I hope determining the case will help you see reason. I see this was my fault. You act like a child because a child is what they made you. Don't be afraid. I can fix you, Poppy. I can make you better. And you, the outsider, the butcher they call you, shall we see what you look like wrong side out? Don't touch her.